G'day, it's Kent Patterson down here at Lucindale in South Australia, and once again we've got a Kelly owner, 60-foot machine, and he's fitting the DC90 at the front. He's got the DC90 at the front and the original cast Kelly CL1 at the back. A combination of discs. As you can see, it just folds up normally.
Problems was before, because the ground is quite hard and it's a little bit soft now because we've had that rain. But as it dries out after the rain and you get a few weeds, it's not taking enough. It skips over the top of those weeds.
Yeah.
And you think, oh, I've done a bloody fantastic job. And you come back, you get another rain, you come back a week later and those few weeds that got away are actually quite substantial plants.
Yeah.
And you only go over it once and then you try and spray. You've got little weeds like this, and then you've got these bloody wiregrass plants that are pretty big and angry. So.
I mean, right there, the soil's come up halfway at the back of the disc, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit sticky once you go underneath. It's a bit softer. No, that's not a pretty good job, really. It's a disc glass, well, yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Hold up.
Give Kent Patterson a call at Bute Engineering and get the DC90. Look out for the orange hubs. Do yourselves a favour and give Ken a call. We retrofit to all Kellys. We supply Brookfields. We supply whatever you need, we've got the answer for. We're currently in the field, we're in a 25 bag week stubble. We've got the DC90 on the front. And he has kept the CL1 disc at the back. But he's already talking about putting that front and back. So let's get up to the DC90 again. Look at that, we've got a 3mm cutting edge, 90 kilos per metre, 6 1/4 inch spacing, and it's doing a beautiful job. Do yourself a favour and give Kent a call at Bute Engineering. So what do you got here? What sort of weed you got here, Kerry? What do you got? Onion weed.
Onion weed, leftover turnip. You
might have some buckbush up here. Buckbush. Possible to get through with anything else. Aftershock.
Yeah. We'll come back and get it.
See, either using one of these or a tandem disc, because there's no way you get through that any other way.
Yeah. So your chain's done about 7,000 acres, you were saying?
Probably over. Much the same, that rocky looking stuff and all this sort of stuff.
Okay. And you haven't had any break on you?
No. That's been brilliant like that. Brother-in-law on his killing chain might do 1 or 2 a year.
Yeah. So you're going about 10 k's an hour. That's
yep.
In your country, that's what suits you.
Yeah, it doesn't pulverise it so much then, otherwise it makes it just too dry and dusty, too smooth out of that.
Yeah, g'day. Kent Patterson from Bute Engineering. Over here at Cow, Eyre Peninsula, South Australia. Just out here at Brett's place. This year, Brett went to his local dealership and picked up this grow mower. 45 feet, and I think he paid $5,000 for it. And he rang me up and asked whether he could retrofit Bute Engineering's disc chains, and I said sure. Helped him out, and we chose the D series DC72, 72 kilos a metre, and here we are out in the paddock working his field. As you can see, the grow mower comes in gangs, so they have 4 metre gangs, and we have this crossover, and then another 4 metre gang. So a lot of farmers have had grow mowers, or maybe Phoenix, or even the Phillips, sitting in the yard. Or do what Brett did, walked into his local dealership and they had one sitting at the back. Fitted this DC72 and really made the machine a machine that he's very happy with. He's after a light till and a weed kill. So he's really got into this machine quite cheaply. I think in total you're looking at a $19,000 machine that's fitted with a brand new disc chain. And like I said, purchased a grow mower for $5,000. So if you have one of these machines and you want to turn it into a disc chain, Ken from Bute Engineering is more than happy to accommodate. We make the chain to length, we send it over already assembled, and you fit it straight on. So if you want to be like Brett and make a good, wise decision, give Ken a call at Bute Engineering.
That's what we noticed with the Kelly. I had a Kelly chain, that was you just roll the melons up. Didn't even cut them.
Yeah.
So it's got that brown
well, they got all their weight in the disc itself, so in theory the more you use it, the blunter the disc gets itself.
Yeah.
And people are really just finding that out. So how wide's this grow more?
It's 48 feet.
Oh, yeah.
It's not a bad sort of concept you could make. If you can get away with a single part, like not having to have a V, like a diamond shape.
Bought this disc and all the parts off of Bute Engineering, and they were quite helpful with the part supply and advice, and had a few little teething issues that have been sorted out with Kent's help. And yeah, originally tried to get into it to save on chemical and doing stuff like that, and more passes over the paddock than what you're meant to do, and the disc chain is actually doing a brilliant job.
G'day, it's Kent Patterson down here at Lucindale in South Australia, and once again we've got a Kelly owner, 60-foot machine, and he's fitting the DC90 at the front. He's got the DC90 at the front and the original cast Kelly CL1 at the back. A combination of discs. As you can see, it just folds up normally. G'day, Ken Patterson from Bute Engineering. We have another farmer who's bought this Phoenix harrow, taken off the spike chain and put on the Bute D series disc chain, DC 72 kilos a metre. We range from 64 up to 100 kilograms per metre, so we recommend a chain to suit your needs. As you can see, a Phoenix cuts 45 feet when working. He hasn't made any modifications to fit the disc chain. Goes straight onto the bearings, and the bearings can handle, the frame can handle the weight. So he's turned this machine into a product that he's out working in the field, and he's very happy with it. As you can see, they got the small little centre section, the cover chain as some people call it. and he's excited about what a job does. He's sick of spraying all the time. Bute Engineering is the only company that sells aftermarket disc chains. So if you want a machine like this, please call Kent Patterson at Bute Engineering's. We're more than willing to help, and we'll catch up with you. Okay, bye.